Good afternoon. I am Nihar Sharma from Satya Bharati Das Senior Secondary School, Fatuvila.
Good afternoon. My name is Naman Kaur from Satya Bharati Das Senior Secondary School, Fatuvila.
Today we have a smart gas burner. Sometimes in our homes there are children at our home, and they playing with their moms and turn on gas knobs accidentally. So we came with an idea. We have made smart gas burner. It is a basically normal gas burner, but it is come with password protection. If we apply correct password, it will work. If we apply wrong password, it does not work. It is for child safety prevention and prevent from gas leakages, and come with advanced password protection mechanism.
In the next stage, we will apply fingerprint sensor.
This is a prototype model. In the next stage, we will apply. Now we have used keypad. Then we will use the fingerprint sensors and use the connect with IoT apps. This will remind that person your gas burner is on, and it prevents from gas leakages and child safety. Thank you so much.